In this tutorial, we are looking at a very useful feature of research tool Perplexity, which is called collections. Hello, AI friends. Perplexity is quickly getting a reputation for being one of the best research tools in the AI space. Today, we're going to be looking at a specific feature that is called collections, which, if you've never used before, might remind you a little bit of custom GPTs or custom instructions for ChatGPT. It's basically a way to group threads, which are what they call the set of answers you get based on a particular query, around a particular topic, and also have the ability to apply a specific set of instructions on the output that you'd like to see in those threads. So for demonstration purposes, let's imagine that we want to learn about AI video tools. One of the things that people think about 2024 is that in the same way that 2023 was the year of image generation with Stable Diffusion and Midjourney and DALL-E 3, 2024 might be the year of video generation with Runway ML, Pika Labs, and of course, Google's new models like Lumiere and Video Poet. For kicks, let's create a little icon. We'll do an old school video camera. Research about the AI video generation space. An AI prompt. Give instructions to the AI that affects every thread in the collection. Now, it's important to note that you don't have to do this. You can just use it strictly as an organizational tool. However, in many cases when you're doing research, you might want some specific type of formatting. So let's try, for each thread, please provide information in the following format. Background context, 5 to 10 key bullets, most important takeaways. Let's do any key numbers, facts, or figures, suggestions for further reading. Okay, so now we've asked for a specific format when it comes to these threads. Let's create this. Go into AI Video Tools. Of course, it's empty right now. And we're going to create a new thread in this collection. What is Google's new Lumiere video model? By the way, we're using Copilot, which is effectively Perplexity's powered version. It's a little bit slower. And based on your plan, you have some limits to how many Copilot responses you can use, but the responses are a lot better. So you'll see here that we get the same sources that we normally get with a query on Perplexity, but then the answer is framed in the way that we've asked it to. We asked it for background context. Google has recently introduced Lumiere, a new artificial intelligence video model. Lumiere is a space-time diffusion model that synthesizes videos portraying realistic, diverse, and coherent motion. Key points. Remember, we asked for 5 to 10 bullets. Lumiere is a space-time diffusion model for realistic video generation developed by researchers from Google. The model can generate video based on text inputs, blah, 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 blah. Key numbers, facts, or figures. Lumiere can generate low-resolution 1024 by 1024 videos lasting no more than 5 seconds. The model was trained on a dataset containing 30 million videos along with their text descriptions. Now, of course, some of this might be repetitive from those key point bullets, but I think separating numbers is a really useful thing to do, at least for the research that I'm doing. Most important takeaways, Lumiere represents a significant advancement in the field of AI video synthesis. It uses a unique space-time diffusion model to generate realistic and diverse videos based on text inputs. Now, of course, as with all Perplexity threads, you can continue on down the path with their related questions. How does Lumiere differ from other AI video models? Once again, because we're in this collection, the answer is given in the format that we had asked for. Background context, key points, key numbers, facts, or figures, and most important takeaways. Call this one Lumiere. You can link to this, you can remove it from a particular collection, you can delete the thread, or you can share it. Let's go back to AI Video Tools. Down here you can see where the threads are. Let's try another one. Which is better, Pika Labs or Runway ML? Let's see how it handles a subjective question. Now, this is one of the features that people love when they're doing research on Perplexity. The clarifying questions. What specific aspects do you want to compare? Features, ease of use, performance, or price? Let's do features, ease of use, performance, or price. I want all of them. Let's just send. Now, once again, it's formatting things in the way that we asked. It gives our background context, our key bullets, which are organized around those different areas. For example, under ease of use, it says Pika Labs is considered simpler to use with a more user-friendly interface. Key numbers, they have things like the dates that they were launched, how much it costs, etc. Call this one runway versus Pika. And there you have it. Now note, at any given time, you can go change the prompt. For example, if you decide that you're too tightly restrictive or you just want to change the format or give it more context, you can always go back and edit it. And so friends, that is the collection feature, a really useful part of Perplexity. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more AI tutorials.